Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the InShot app. First, download InShot from your device's App Store, which is available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and grant any necessary permissions for media access. You'll then see options to start a new project, allowing you to choose between creating a video, editing a photo, or making a collage. This initial step sets the foundation for all your creative endeavors within the app. Now, let's dive into basic video editing. Import your desired video clips and photos from your gallery into the project timeline. You can easily trim, cut, and split clips to remove unwanted sections or rearrange their order. Adjust the video speed from 1/4 to 4 times faster and control the volume. Adding background music from InShot's library or your own files enhances the viewing experience significantly. To make your content truly stand out, explore InShot's enhancement features. Apply a wide range of filters and effects to give your videos a professional or artistic look. You can add text overlays, choosing from dozens of fonts and colors, and even animate them. Incorporate fun stickers and emojis to add personality and visual interest, making your videos more engaging for your audience. Finally, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. Before exporting, choose your preferred video resolution, such as 720 pixels or 1080 pixels, and frame rate, like 30 or 60 frames per second. Once exported, the video will be saved to your device's gallery. From there, you can easily share your creation directly to popular social media platforms with just a few taps, showcasing your work to the world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.